Hey guys, random video from some random dude on the internet. If you're not using an electric toothbrush in 2026, you might need to get checked out by your doctor because it's the only way to go going forward. So I'm going to do a three-prong review here. This is a Philips Sonicare, I think 3100. It's like a base model. They make many different models, so I'll be sure to link all of them down below. This has just been one of the best investments I've ever made. I think it was like 30 bucks. I'm never going back to a regular toothbrush if I don't have to. You get the toothbrush itself and it'll come with a Philips head on it and a cap, and you'll get the Philips charging base that's USB-A. It doesn't come with a brick. It is wireless. There's a hole on the bottom and you just put it on the stand and it will charge. Now, to save a little money, on this one I have a Brushmo head on it, and this is an aftermarket head. It just has a metal prong on the top, okay? That's what vibrates the toothbrush, and then it just has the fitting, okay? So you just pull these off to change them. And so I think I got 3 in the Brushmo, but I'll link the Brushmo down below. Super high quality, definitely as good as OEM Philips. These can last, forever. You can go old school and you can boil them, if you want, and they'll just last and last. As long as you keep them clean and sanitized, then you won't have an issue. So once you get the toothbrush, get some aftermarket heads, and then this I think is the secret right here. This is the wireless charging base, but it's USB-C compatible, so you can take any kind of USB-C cable with whatever brick you want, and you can, put this in your go bag, travel kit, and it's super small and it makes it super convenient. So those two things you can, this is fine, but this is better, and it's super minimal, and this setup is going to be really nice. That's just my thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you're not sure about getting an electric toothbrush, just go ahead and do it and you will not regret it. It makes things so much easier and faster and cleaner. You'll love it. So check out the links for the toothbrush, for the heads, and for the charger base, and let me know how it goes. See ya.